Learning to pivot in 2024. It's almost the end of 2024, but have you ever thought, dang, man, I thought this was going to go one way. I thought this was going to go the other way. And so you're struggling to figure out what your next move is? Listen up. 2024 has definitely been that for me. You guys know I have a new baby at home. And so 2024 showed us that although we are putting in the work, we cannot control the outcome. Only God knows what he is doing. So we went through a lot of transition, a lot of changes since the end of 2023, starting with me not going back to a 9-to-5. Absolutely love the mission, the organization, the people there. But again, God had a different plan for me. And so he guided me to be a full-time business owner and a full-time mommy. 2024 hit, and there were additional changes in family structures that happened within our family dynamic. The way I thought one thing was going to happen, it completely turned out to be something different. And so guess what? We had a pivot, which was difficult because I had this vision in my head. And when I have a vision in my head, guys, I legit play it out, right? And it's hard for me to depart from that vision. It's something that I'm working on. It is a weakness or a strength. I guess it depends on how you look at it. But what has helped me is really having faith that everything's going to work out the way it should be. Everything is going to come to fruition just the way it is meant for you. God is protecting you, protecting us from things that we can't see, the things that we don't know is going to happen. And so continue pushing forward, continue leaning on people and resources and opportunities. Keep putting one foot in front of the other, because that is going to basically help you change your mindset and say, you know what? This didn't work out. I have a hard time with it, but there's something greater on the other side. Another example, we worked really, really hard and had this contract. And literally few days before the contract was supposed to start, the opportunity was taken from us. Depending on people to execute is also not a great way to strategize. We know we did the work. We know we put in the effort. We knew we were going to add value. However, their circumstances changed. And my husband kept saying, it's okay. We're going to land other contracts. We're doing this. Like, this is our vision. These are our goals. We're going to accomplish them no matter what, no matter who is involved, because God has got us. And so that's the thing that I would say. Pivot. By one, having faith. By two, understanding that there are other opportunities out there, that this world is full of abundance. Rely on your support systems. Ensure that you are just following your business plan, your business strategies. You are being protected if something does not happen the way that you think it should happen or the way that you envisioned it to happen. So I hope that is helpful. I'm about to run into this event for another contract that we are executing in January. We have partnered with a school to teach real estate at the school. So I'm going to meet our students literally in 40 minutes. So I have the Green Family Estates shirt ready to go, and we are rocking and rolling. Please, if you found some value in this, share with me. I want to hear about your experiences and the ways in which you alter your mindset so that you're not stuck in the disappointed event or the disappointing feeling. Like and subscribe to this channel. It is all things empowerment. I am balancing motherhood, entrepreneurship, life's pivots, and making sure that we are adding value to the world. I wish I had these channels when I was growing up that can help me navigate life slightly differently.